Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can manage your profile in the Bitrix 24. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply what we need to do, we have to go to our account, and after going to the account, as you can see, you will get the option like this. So our account is open here. Now simply what we have to do, for checking our profile, for managing our profile, we need to click on this profile icon. This is my profile name. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, some basic elements are provided here. These are the catalogs. If you want to use them, you can also do that. So simply we have to click on the profile. Let's click on the profile. And after clicking on the profile, you will be able to see the all details of your profile. If you want to change your profile photo, if you want to change your name, you can also do that. So let's click on the upload photo. If you want to upload your photo, as you can see, upload from a drive, you can also upload this from a drive. For example, I'm going to open this one. So let's click on this, and we have to click on the upload, and the photo will be uploaded. So let's click on the save. As you can see, now it's done. If you want to change your name, if you want to change your email, these all options are provided here. As you can see, the measurement, these all options are provided here. You can change them, you can save them, you can edit them. So this way you can manage your profile and the Bitrix 24. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.